Day 3 HRM. Hello my awesome students of section 3. Today was the third day of our MBA first year HRM course and I must admit I enjoyed it immensely. We started with project definitions, 10 to 15 hours project work which will help us in more effective learning of HR fundamentals. I am reading out a few of them which we promptly received on our WhatsApp group Padhna Mana Hai. Prabjot Pathak, project topic details, budget allocation trends of HR in top 50 Fortune companies along with comparison of past 5 years data with tables and charts. 4 days, a team of 5 people. Palak, topic, study on performance appraisal in terms of bonus and incentives to employees in a BPO company and also the budget allocated for the same. Thank you very much for sending these. We will continue with our MCQs on the day 3. My target is that by the end of this course, we have a list of around 200 multiple choice questions from which we can also conduct our examination. MCQ 11, features of a workforce like age, gender or societal group is. MCQ 12, human capital management is occasionally used synonymously among. MCQ 13, method of an applicant being selected from existing employees to get up a latest job in same firm refers to. MCQ 14, SHRM stands for. MCQ 15, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and so on are used for recruiting which is known as. MCQ 16, written evidence of tasks, responsibilities and circumstances of employment is. MCQ 17, complete method of attracting, choosing and hiring suitable applicants to one or more posts within the firm, either permanent or short term is called. MCQ 18, early roots of modern human resource management can be traced to which era? MCQ 19, a method where existing workers recommend potential applicants for the post offered and in some firms if suggested applicant is hired, the workers get a cash bonus refers to. And the last one for today, MCQ 20, organizational restructuring and downsizing in any firm leads to. I would like to end today's video here. But before that, a few fun facts. First, on an average, men's desks are 20% dirtier than women's in workplace. 2. The interviewees wearing blue are more likely to be hired. Third, the HR managers in US believe that Tuesday is the most productive day of the week. 4. At an average, the workplace meetings will take 1/3 less time when participants don't sit down but stand up during the meeting. And the last fun fact, the employees tend to retain their training better when they take handwritten notes. Have a wonderful rest of the evening. Looking forward to see Full House at 9:15 a.m. sharp.